Today we're going to do another unboxing. And this time we're at my grandma's house. Here it is. Yeah, Game Watch House Rain. Limited edition game. If you want to get it now! Yeah, this goes for my cousin my cousin's boyfriend who really, really loves tape. Let's open it up. Yeah, that's how it works. Okay, so this is an alarm clock. That's my brother. I didn't bring my tripod with me. Let's see. Oh, that's neat. See, here's a USB-C. It's a very short USB-C cable. This must be the unit itself. Ow. Special thanks to you. Nice. Also, guys, can we get the... Let's see. Here's the user guide. Just got to charge in, that's all. Just for USB-C cable, USB cable, and that's it, I guess. Here it is! This is gonna sell for a lot in the future. It's very tiny, as you can tell. And let's play everyone to press time. Okay, here's the setup. Let's see, press time button. Okay. I'm not really sure what time it is right now. Oh. How do you set the time? Okay, there we go. It's I think it's 11. 20. Here we go. Let's gaming. Let's just play. Let's just play a little bit. Let's go. Here we go. And that's it.